Good morning, sunshine. This is Paisleycam number 2, which actually took place in May.
Yeah, I gotta admit,
There's Oakrey.
We got a yard, which was this whole front half.
That's CC's GoPro. Yeah. And that's Paisleycam. Is that Paisleycam?
Very cool. Let's get replacements in it.
I like your lacy onesie. Yeah, there. You can hold it. Oh, you don't chew on it? You don't need to chew on it. It is waterproof. Oh, yeah. There it went.
Yeah, that's why the other day I was panicking. I was like, I'm coming to get that big tarp. Well, I think I hold it down here and you pull the tarp for it. I think
That's my GoPro.